This is part 2 of the candy Easter basket tutorial. And right now we're getting ready to go ahead and do the custom paper that the paper that we're gonna line it with. And we're gonna be putting this image on top of tissue paper, okay? Make sure when y'all get on the video, y'all like the video, comment the video. You do want to have your heat press set to 400 degrees. I do have 2 sheets on here so that it can show up clearer, more clear. And so what I'm going to do is I already have kind of how I want it arranged on here. And I'm just going to take another sheet just because I don't have a lot of copy paper. And I'm just going to put that right on top. Now this does take a little time when you're doing it with a smaller printer. But it's all good. So basically, I'm just going to take this and put it right over my design, and I'm going to press down for 30 seconds. Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. Once you get on, this is part 2 of the candy Easter basket tutorial, where we're making the paper so that we can do the lining of the basket. And this is just to show y'all that you can sublimate on tissue paper from the Dollar Tree. I haven't done this in a while, so hopefully this comes out good and we'll see. Alright, so we pull it straight up. Then let's check our image. And we do have a little ghosting up here, but that'll be okay because we're going to do like a step and repeat process. So we just got to do better on the next one. And like I said, this is regular gift wrapping tissue paper from the Dollar Tree and sublimation on it. And I'm making sure to cover it up. I do have 2 sheets on there so it can show through really clear. And I just got to make sure that I watch my placement because we have some ghosting on the last one. And like I said, this will be easier with a bigger heat press. Lift it straight up. And then it came out a lot better this time. And I'm just going to take it and move it around. And then put our sublimation image on top. We are using 2 sheets. And then I'm just going to put another sheet of tissue paper up there. And I'm going to press it straight down for 30 seconds. Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. Let's try to get this out there to everyone. Pull it straight up. Take it straight off. And then we're going to switch it around. This is an up close of how it comes out. And like I said, you do want to do 2 sheets at once. That way it shows up like a lot more vibrant. And so we're going to put this one right here. I'm using this tissue paper to protect my heat press so the image doesn't come through. And I'm pressing for 30 seconds at 400 degrees. Alright. Now I'm going to pull it up. And just so I can make sure that y'all can see it clear. This is what we're working with. So, like I said, this is tissue paper from the Dollar Tree. Make sure your paper is straight because we got some crinkles right here, but it's okay. Because all they're going to do is throw this paper in the trash, but it just looks good when you're making gift baskets. We have some ghosting right there, so make sure your heat press is covering up the whole image, okay? But this is what we have, and then let's work on assembly in the basket, like the inside. Okay, so what I like to do is, I like to build a foundation with a bunch of these sheets. I'm trying to make sure that y'all can see good. Make sure y'all like the video. Do me a favor and hit that heart button repeatedly. Tap the screen so that we can get some more people on here. But I like to build a base when I'm doing baskets. At the bottom, and this way everything's not looking all sunken in to the actual basket. Like it's not looking all, like it'll prop up and be pretty. And sometimes I use bags, I use regular paper just to give it like a little extra strength because this paper is still a little soft. Trying to get this paper apart. Lord. So I just want to, like I said, build up the base. Make sure I got some dimension in it. I don't want everything sinking down to the bottom. So if I was selling this to a customer, it just look better, you know? And then I like to take my paper. Now I know I ghosted one side, so I'm going to kind of tuck that under and push that towards the back. And so when they see this, they'll be able to see the faces all on there. And as you see, I left the middle part a little clear. And I'm just gonna like make a little bed for my basket. And the sides, I'm just taking these and crunching them around. And so this is what we have. And when baby boy opens this up, he'll be able to see his face on there. He's gonna be like, Mama, what in the world? Let me know how y'all like it so far. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all like it. Tap the screen, give me some hearts. But now that I have that assembled, I'm just gonna go in with my basket content. And since this is for a teenager, that's why I use the beef jerky. I just put some of his snacks that I know he likes. I'm going to put the big stuff towards the back. But you don't want to kind of take away from it. You want everybody to be able to kind of see it, especially if you're displaying these. So throw some peeps in there. So you just kind of want to layer it out. Put the smaller stuff in the front, put the big stuff. And then this is what I mean when I say you want to add the tissue, because I still see some things that I would like to be propped up a little bit more. So I'm just going to take this tissue and just prop it up. Take this tissue and just prop it up. I'm building layers onto my basket. And you can put this underneath the tissue paper, or you can put this on top, but you just kind of want it to, you want to be able to see everything that you have in the basket off the rip for the most part. And I need another piece for right there. And this is why I like using regular copy paper, because I feel like it's a little bit more, it's less to be squashed down, if you know what I mean. And then I want the bunny in the back to be propped up a little bit more. And this is me looking at it from the back. I don't know what it looks like from the front, but I'm just looking from the back because I got the front facing y'all. So I'm just going to put another one right there. And you just want to maneuver it around however you see fit, but I don't want it necessarily leaning back. So. I'm going to add one more piece. I know y'all probably think I'm crazy, but I'm telling you, try this for your baskets, and it'll definitely make it pop. Okay, drop some hearts if y'all like it. Drop some sad faces if y'all don't. Let me know in the comment section. I do have some candies to fill this in with. Let me see what we have. I bought these for some of the other baskets, but let's see what we can spare. Because you want the baskets to look full. So we just want to take places like this and just kind of fill it in. And I'll take y'all over here so that y'all can see the final outcome. And this is what we have. This is what we're working with. That's the base. And that's the end of the tutorial. I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. I hope y'all like it. Part 1 is available showing how we actually made the base, which is the actual basket. Peace out, y'all.